This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So what we discussed in our previous class, guys? So we discussed a lot, right? Regarding the object, difference between the standard and custom object, and all those things we have seen, right? Change data type and everything. Okay. Next, today class is, so we are going to see relationships. Okay. In Salesforce, we have relationships. So it's like in our human life also, right? We have different relationships, right? Like parent, children's mother and father, and son, daughter, like that relationships are there, right? Same concept we have in Salesforce also, guys. Okay. So in our life, you can compare like a parent child simply. Okay. So that kind of relationship we have in Salesforce. And so why they invented Salesforce? I mean relationships, because so the thing is in real time, what happened if you are working in a project, okay, you got a requirement that can't be done with the help of single object, okay, and that can be done with the help of some kind of relationships, like so something I want to store in one object and I want to retrieve here, so and I want to display here itself. Those kind of things are there. So even if I said right, you can't understand. Just I'm saying in a high level, okay. But once you see, then only you can understand. So that kind of things will happen. So during that situation, what will happen? We need to create different objects and we need to relate. It's um, like how we are living. Like so, we are depending on parents, right? If parents give money, then we will go outside and we will spend some money. Same concept, right? Here also. So if you have the objects, definitely need parents here also. Okay. So let's see relationships. So before going to that one, what are the relationships available in Salesforce? Different kind of relationships are there. One is a lookup, and the second is master, third is hierarchy. Okay. So main is lookup and master. After that, okay. So based on the lookup and master, we will create a lot of things like one-to-one relationships and one-to-many relationship, many-to-many relationship. Okay, so these are the relationships and self relationship. Okay, so let's see here. Only the main these two are relationships available, lookup and master. And based on the lookup and master, we will create these relationships. Hierarchy, one to one, one to many to many. Okay, and self relationship. So let's see. So now what I'm going to do is, so these are the relationships you need to remember, guys. Definitely you need to remember. Okay. So I will explain one by one. And before going to that one, first we will see what is lookup relationship. Once you understand, then we will go to master detail. And based on that one, we will see the remaining relationships. Okay. So let's see lookup relationship. What is lookup? And so let me show you example what is lookup. Go to standard objects. So I have given assignment to you guys. Have you completed assignment, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes, sir.
complete right, then
Yes,
your
sir.
life will be easier. Otherwise, you will be screwed going forward.
Done, sir.
Good. Okay. So go to contact records. Go to anyone record. No problem. Edit this one. Okay. So can you see here account name? So click on this one, bulb icon. Net is slow again. It is mobile net only. Okay, you see here, two records you are seeing, right? One and two records you are seeing. So what are these records? Account records. Okay. So if you click on lookup icon, you are seeing account records. What are these? Account. What is happening, guys? Okay. So this account is the right. Click on this one and you see here. Click on this one. Select any one record. Okay. Select any one record. These two records are belongs to account object, and this record belongs to contact object. Both are different objects. These records are belongs to account object. This is a contact object record. So now let's see. This is a lookup relationship or a whatever it may be. For now, I'm just telling you this is a lookup relationship. Think in that. Okay, that means what? Here parent is account and the child is contact record. Okay, parent is account, child is contact record. The output will be like this, guys. So on child records, you can get parent records and display here. And also, like this is a parent record. Okay, look up, think in that way. And so contact is the child records. In output, you will see like this, guys. So before going to that one, let me explain it clearly. 1 second. Let me share my Excel sheet. I want to minimize the top one. Can anyone know how to minimize the top one here? This one, just header part.
Can you press Alt double click?
Alt
Double click.
double click.
Alt and sir, plus and sir.
ఇంతకుముందు చేశాను. It's okay, leave it, no problem. So let's see relationships, right? Okay. So coming to the point in our project, what is our project? It's an institute project, right? So in that institute, so generally you can see like their business, so they are selling products, and so they are getting students. So what are the products they are selling? Courses they are selling, and so students are the customers for them institute. We are institute. Okay, good. Now we know already student records are there, right? Good. So let's see. This is a student record. Okay, students. I'm just adding records, guys, not columns. Okay, leave it. So let's see, like Minky. Just these are the students. Okay, good. Now here courses SFDC. AWS Institute is often these kind of courses, right? SFDC, AWS, and Python. Okay, spoken like that. So you see here, guys. So let's see for this technology. So you can observe here how many students are attending for this technology, right? Let's see. Good. Okay, forget about wrapping on this. Okay, so now you see here, these are the courses which are offered by institute. Good, and I'm just giving only a few student names. So these are the students who are attending for this course. Very nice. Okay, so now you observe for one course, how many courses? One course. How many students are attending, guys? For SFDC, so Vinky, John, Venu, these guys are attending for SFDC. Okay, and for AWS, how many students are attending? Srinu, Ravi. So how many courses? One course, and many students are attending, right? And Python also one course, and many students are attending. M means many. So in this situation, so generally, if this is the situation in real time, and this is the requirement, okay, and in Salesforce we can compare like this only. For one course, many number of students are attending. For one course, many number of students are attending. So this can be created in Salesforce as, see here, one to many relationship. I can say it as what? One to many relationships. One parent, one is always parent, guys. Okay, many is always child. You know, right? For one parent only, one mother, one father, many number of children, more than one child like that. Parent means father and mother combination, you can say it as. One parent can have either zero children or many children, not a problem. Okay, zero or many. So that means generally I go with many only. Okay, so one is always parent, many is always child. So now see here, course is parent and the student is child. So this is the requirement. How to achieve this requirement in Salesforce? In Salesforce, one to many relationship I can achieve by creating a lookup relationship. You can do same thing with master also. Okay, both are same only. A little bit, I mean, little bit difference is there. So we'll see going forward what is the difference. I can use either a lookup relationship or a master relationship. So with any one, I can achieve this requirement. One to many relationship. Good. Here, parent is what? Course, and the child is what? Students. Good. Okay. So till here, are we good regarding the business only? If you are good, then I will move to so creating course record, course object also. I need to create course object also in Salesforce, right? Yeah, to achieve this kind of requirement. Okay, if you are silent, good. So first what I need to do, I have student object and student records also I have. I stored the customers data in student object, good. But I have not stored, so I mean you have already course field, right? But I'm going to elaborate So instead of course field, I'm going to use course object. Okay. So I'm going to create a course object and I'm going to add all the courses which are offered by VLR Institute Training. Okay, let's go here. Let's create a course object first. So I want to create an object. So where I need to go? I need to go to setup. Search for objects. So create a new object. Okay. So what is the object name? Course is the object name. So let's create a course object. Courses. Good. Okay, so when you are creating any custom object, I showed you, right, one standard field will be by default, it is created by Salesforce. What is that one? Course name. Okay, I mean, this is the label name given by Salesforce. If you want, you can change it, or if you want, you can change it. However you want, you can change the label name. This is the standard field. Field API name is what? Name. And you can change label name however you want. That is up to you. And even if you want to change the data type, you can change it to auto number, either text or auto number. Any one only you can choose it. More than that you can't. Okay. Next, save it. So my laptop is throwing errors for these websites. I have problem. Okay, good. Okay, so let's see now. I created a course object. Okay, and the courses is the plural label name and the good. I want to store course names. I want to store all these course names. So where I can store? I can store by creating the records. Good. If I want to create a records, what I need to do? I need to have a tab. So right now I don't have a tab. So let's go tab and create a tab. So click on new button. Okay, select any current. Next, finally. Okay, save it. That's it. It is very slow. ఆ కేబుల్ కనెక్షన్ ఈరోజు పనిచేయలేదు, పనిచేసింది అనుకో, జస్ట్ మొబైల్ ఇచ్చాను హాట్స్పాట్. Okay, so let's see courses. Okay, so courses tab I have created, and if you want you can check here, simply go here. Lord. Okay, so let's add course records. Click on new button, and while clicking on a new button, you can see, so this is the standard field and this is the standard field. Like that, you go to course object detail page. What is this page? Object detail page, which is belongs to course. So you can see all four standard fields which are created by Salesforce. Name created by, last modified by owner. Okay, course name SFDC. or Salesforce. Save and new. Python. Save and ఈ డొమైన్ వల్ల ఏమైనా రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తుందా సైట్ అర్థం కావట్లేదు. Python. Tell me another courses. AWS Python SFDC. AWS. Okay, save enough. We'll see other courses later. Okay, good. I have created so 3 courses which are so offering in VLR Training Institute. Okay, that's it. AWS Python SFDC like that. Good. And now you go to student records and check. Go to service. Connections. 1 minute. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, so let's see. Go to students. Sorry guys, net is really very poor. Second. If I connect చేస్తుంటే హలో గైస్ వినిపిస్తుందా? నెట్ కనెక్షన్ వేరే.
Yeah, sir.
వినిపిస్తుంది.
Okay, thank you enough. So let's see, I have student object and I have course object, right? Now I want to relate between the course to student. As of now I have not related. I have not given any relation between the course and student. Both are different objects now. Now I want to relate between the student object to course object. When I am going to relate so between these two objects, I need to remember what is the parent and what is the child. So here child is student and parent is course. Okay, so child is student and parent is course. So that means what? Parent is always one and child is always many. Okay, good. So where is this one? Yeah, you remember when you are creating a relationship, you need to go to child object. Remember this point. When you are creating a relationship like lookup relationship, I want to create a lookup relationship, and by using that one, I can achieve this requirement simply. Okay. So one to many relationship, right? I can achieve by using a lookup relationship or a master detail relationship. Okay, good. On which object you need to create a lookup relationship? And what is the lookup relationship? Actually, it is a data type. That's it. It is a field data type. You can create a field by using this one. That's it. You can't do more. So that means what? Lookup is also a field. And okay, so you need to create a field. Ultimately, you need to create a field. On which object you need to create a field? Either on student or on the course. So blindly, always you need to create a lookup or master detail fields on child object. Always you need to create this data type field on child object. Always blindly, either it is a lookup or master, whatever it may be, always you should create on child object. So in this situation, what is a child object? We already decided, right? So one course many students are attending. So that means what? Many means child always. One means parent always. Like if you compare with our real time, right? Human being relationship and whatever it may be. Only one parent, but many children, right? Same concept here also. So child is student object. That means what? You need to create a lookup field on student object. So finally we decided. So let's go and create a lookup relationship field on student object. Go here. So go to object detail page, not here. Click on this one, go to fields. So create a custom field on student object. I am on student object. Listen, okay. So see carefully, guys. Click on new button, and so go to lookup relationship and click on new button, next button. And here choose the related object. That means what? Parent object. Okay. Here related to is nothing but a parent object. You need to select a parent object. You are in student object and you are going to create a field, lookup data type field. That's it. Like daily how we are creating a field, right? Same kind of fields only, guys. There is no difference. Don't worry. Please don't think too much about that one. Okay. Related to, go to here. So what object I need to select? I need to select a course object. So here I can select course object because I'm going to give a relationship between the course to student object. Okay, so select course object and click on next button. Good. Field label name. You can give any field name. So this is what field name on student object. Okay, it like once you create the field, so it will be displayed over here like this fields. Like this fields, it will be displayed. That field label name they are asking simply. So what name I want to give? Offered courses. Courses offered. Okay, courses offered. I'm just giving the field label name courses offered. You see here. Okay, underscore C. Help text you want to, no problem. Good. And this child relationship name, right? So forget about this name right now. Okay, we will see later. And click on next button. Don't think anything. Okay, just click on next button. So simply, finally, what you are going to do is again next finally until save button you can just click on it. Okay, next save it. That's it, guys. You have created a relationship between student and the course. Good. Okay. You have created a relationship. You can see here. Where is courses offered field, guys? Yes, you see here. So what is the data type? Lookup data type. It's like a pick list or a text like that. Lookup data type. But parent to this one. So lookup in the name itself, meaning is that look up, look upside like that. Okay. So you see the meaning. No problem. So that's what done, guys. You have created a lookup relationship between. That means what? The relationship is established. That's it. Between two of this. Now, how to see the relationships? So let's go to student records. Okay, and let's go to one by one. Go to Subbareddy and edit this one. And courses offered. You can check where the courses offered. Here it is there, right? Courses offered. Okay, and you see here bulb icon. That means it is a lookup or a master. Bulb icon means it is a lookup or master. Okay, that means what relationship is there. This is what relationship field. So if you click on this one, so what are the courses I created? What are the course records I created? Course records. These are AWS, Python, SFDC. Where you can see, you go here, you go to courses. Okay, click on go button. How many courses I have created? 3 courses. Those 3 courses will be displayed once you click on the bulb icon. These are the courses which are created over here. Okay, on this course object. Remember the point. From where these courses, these are the course records. That means what? Parent records you are seeing. Once you click on this one, you can see parent records. Any course. So generally come Subbareddy joined for Salesforce training. So then you can select SFDC simply. That's it. Save it. Okay. So he joined for Salesforce. SFDC I can select it. So if I click here, it will take me to that course record. It will take me to the course record, SFDC course name, and you can see the output also. Did you observe? Output. How many students are attending? One student is attending, right? Let's go back. One more student, create, update it. Job list. Go to inline edit. Mute yourself, guys. Select any course. Save it. Okay. Good. Like that. Go to other courses also. Go to other students also. Winnie joined for another course like AWS. Save it. Okay, go to other students. Sudhakar. Go here, look up it. So Sudhakar also joined for AWS. Okay, let's think in that way. Wait, Jitendra, it's not finished. Python. Okay, now you see, so many people are attended so many courses, right? Let's see here. Now let's go to course records and go to now our receptionists. They have so added courses for all the students. Okay, now if any management or any so higher authorities they want to see, so 1 second, Jittu, it is not finished. Then only I can tell you. Okay, wait. Okay, so institute, right? Our institute receptions, so can go to here, and our management also, if they want to see, suppose, so for Salesforce course, how many students are joined, and for AWS, how many students joined, for Python, how many students joined. If they want to know, so what they can do, they can click on SFDC course and they can see how many students and their details also they can see here. Okay, they can go to the course record directly. Under that one, how many students are attended and their batch, every details they can see under here. Students, okay, like that. They can go to any course, like Python, they go here. And how many students? Raja only attended for Python, they go here. AWS, and how many students are joined? Vinny and Sudhakar joined for AWS. So did you observe what is the benefit of the relationship? Here, for view purpose, this is the benefit for one course, and you can see how many students are attended in a related list. This is called related list. Child, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, but you can see parent and child records directly. You can see if you give a relationship between the two objects, you can see what is the parent record and what are the child records. Parent record, child records. You can see directly on the screen. That is the benefit for users who are seeing. And coding wise, a lot of benefits are there. Okay, in the back end coding wise. That's it. So in development, we will see that differences, that benefits also. But did you understand now? For any course, how many students are attended, they can easily see. This is the benefit once you give the relationship. Okay, and you are asking about what is the relationship between the pick list and what is that another question? Difference between the pick list too? Can you please explain the difference between the lookup and multi-level pick list? So let me now multi-level if you don't understand. Pick list lookup means you understand, right? Parent is the top side and the child is like this, you can see it. And also if you go to child record, so with the help of bulb icon you can see here. Okay, but what is a multi-level pick list? This is a multi-level pick list. Difference. Have you seen the difference with your eyes or not? I'm just asking. If you save it, what happened here? Suppose. What happened? Only here only you can see. You can't segregate courses and students. Based on the course, you can't see students. Am I right? Based on the course, you can't see student records like this. Go to course record. I'm just giving a simple example. Like this, you can't achieve by using multi-select pick list or pick list, whatever it may be. Okay? Yeah. That's why I asked to wait until finishing this regarding the lookup. That's why.
Sir,
Once you
ఇప్పుడు
finish, easily you
sir
can
ఇప్పుడు
understand.
multi-level pick list లో లాగా if one student like there's an option for multi-level pick list where you can select one student who's attending like two courses, like maybe SFDC and AWS. So దీంట్లో ఈ lookup relationship లో one student if he's attending like two courses, let's say, అది many to many relationship అవుతుందా?
Exactly.
Okay, okay, అది okay.
అక్కడ చెప్తాను
Thank you.
నేను.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah. వేరే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చి చెప్తాను ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాకుండా.
okay.
Yeah, so everyone, are you good guys? Tell me. So that's it about the lookup relationship. Nothing is there. Okay, simply, so you need to remember, so like this, parent and child. Okay, what is the parent object? You need to decide. What is the child object? You need to decide, because based on the requirements only you can decide. Okay, one course, many number of children. That means okay, one is the parent, many is child. Always remember. So if you get a requirement in real time, you need to think in that way. And by experience, right? So with experience you can easily decide which one is the parent and which one is the child. You don't worry, you need to practice. That's only you need to do. And next, so you can think whether whether I go with lookup or master also. Going forward you will get to know. Okay, by default we need to give lookup, and if some cases are there, only for the particular cases only we can use master relationship. Okay, good. Next, for that particular cases, right, I will tell you, don't worry. Next, I know parent record and I know parent object, I know child object. Okay, now I want to create a relationship between these two objects. So I need to decide whether lookup or master. Okay, whatever it may be. So that is a field. I need to create a field, lookup or master field I need to create. Which object I need to create? Blindly you need to remember on child object only you need to create, that's it. Okay, on child object you need to create that field and relate to parent object, that's it. Okay, so that's about the lookup relationship, guys, and we'll see tomorrow. I will explain the page layout and all these kind of things, and after that one I will explain master detail, and then we can see. Okay, any questions?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I'm new to this course. How many days admin course? Like admin?
This 3.5, guys.
Okay.
You joined only today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I joined